What's going on, my dudes? This is Mr. Gardner and this is Math Time with Mr. G. Today we're going to be talking about literal equations and formulas. Literal equation means that it has multiple variables, and formula means that we use variables to find answers. So I work so many hours, how much do I get paid? Let's first look at our distance formula, which is distance is equal to rate, how fast I go, times time. So with that information, let's look at what we would do if we wanted to find how far we went, given I went 2 miles an hour for 10 hours. So I would just take my formula and put 2 in for my rate, 10 in for my time, multiply those, and I would have gone 20 miles. What if we're given this equation and it's out of order? So we know we went 30 miles. We know we were going at 5 miles an hour. How long did it take us? So I'm just going to plug in all of the numbers I know and solve for the letter that I don't. So divide by 5, and it took me 6 hours. Let's say that I have a formula that's given to me, such as perimeter, which is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. I always know what the perimeter is because I bought the land and they gave me that. And let's say I'm able to measure the length because it's right next to the freeway or something, but I can't measure the width because it's next to a river, I can't stand into it, whatever. Let's reorganize this for what I use most often. I most often use perimeter and length, and I'm trying to find width. So all I'm going to do is subtract 2L from both sides, and then divide by 2. This way, I have my width is equal to perimeter minus 2L over 2. And then what I want to find most often is all by itself, and it's easier to plug in the unknown information. Say I want to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius, or from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And let's say that the equation is, this would say I know what Fahrenheit is, and I'm trying to find Celsius. But let's say it's the reverse. Let's say I know Celsius, I'm trying to find Fahrenheit. Well, I'm just going to multiply by its inverse to both sides. And then I'm just going to solve for F. The whole section is about I have 2 unknowns, and I need to reorganize it to get the unknown that I want to find, and then the unknown that I'm most likely to already know. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. But other than that, be kind to each other, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.